Hey everyone! Check out the Greenstell Laundry Hamper with a 160-liter capacity and 2 removable liner bags for easy sorting. It features a convenient double-opening lid design, allowing access from either side without hassle. The hamper is made from durable PE plastic rattan, with breathable gaps to reduce odors and keep clothes dry. Its sturdy steel frame supports up to 88 pounds, making it perfect for heavy loads. The basket is collapsible and requires no screws for quick assembly or storage. Plus, the included hangable liner bags let you carry laundry anywhere with ease. This hamper is an ideal solution for organizing laundry in bedrooms or bathrooms. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.